There are a lot of tricks and hacks that we can use to make our work a lot easier in Microsoft Office programs. MBA students at KFA Business School have been learning such tricks and tactics under the iEvolve series pillar, which has helped them excel in their education as well as professional life. In this video, we'll learn how to create a drop-down list in Excel. A drop-down list is an excellent way to give the user an option to select from a predefined list. It can be used while getting a user to fill a form or while creating interactive Excel dashboards. Drop-down lists are quite common on website apps and are very intuitive for the user. Here are the steps to create an Excel drop-down list. Select a cell where you want to create the drop-down list. Go to Data, then Data Tools, then Data Validation. In the drop-down option, choose the Data Validation option. In the Data Validation dialog box within the Setting tabs, select List as Data Validation Criteria. As soon as you select the list, the source field appears. Simply click in the source field and select the cells using the mouse. And then click OK. This will insert a drop-down list in cell D3. Thank you for watching this video.